Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can invest in index funds using the Plus500 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Plus500 app, then go to the trade section, which you can do by sliding this slider on the top to the left side. And when you are at the trade section, you just have to find the indices option. And here you can go to country indices. As you can see, USA 500, USA 30, Japan 225, ASX, Swiss, Norway, Greece, Italy, Sweden, Hungary. You can also go to sector indices, real estate giants index, cannabis stock index, or all these. Or you can just go to all indices where you can find all the available indices. And here to invest in one of these indices, you just have to tap on buy, and you can see the rate on the top. You can type in the amount of contracts that you would like to purchase here. Let's say here 500. I don't know. I thought it's the minimum, but it just increases to 500 and 5,500. I don't know why, friends. Yeah, so here you can invest in these funds by tapping on buy, and your investment is going to live here in the open positions. And when you want to sell your investments, you just come back to the same place and tap on sell, and you are pretty much done. So that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.